These are the garage cars at the Durango Casino Resort in Las Vegas. These are OTIS Gen3 elevators.
How that goes. Because maybe that would be...
What floor?
3, please. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Because it would have been right on my shoulder.
Yes.
So...
Okay.
Look at that.
Give it a moment and see.
Yeah, okay.
I mean, it may not be that, but I'm not as congested as I was when we were sitting there. So I'm like, oh,
Right,
I didn't have that on while we were there. So... Just an idea. Thank you.
Have a good night.
Car top lights on. Or the hoistway lights are on.
Oh, what?
Innovation bar button. Different car?
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh, this one.
No, that's what caught me off guard.
Go ring that chime. Oh wait, this one doesn't have it. What?
That's what I was. Okay, that's weird. I'll still ring it.
There's nothing to ring. What the hell? How come it doesn't have the lantern?
That's weird.
Cabs are very basic though.
Yeah, they're not very resemblant of
There's
this
your
beautiful property.
OTIS camera right there. One more?
One more.
Alright.
There's probably gonna be one and one.
Yeah.
No lanterns, no basements.
So it's like that one's the only one with the lantern in the car.
That or it's these two.
Maybe. And the music's louder in this one.
Yeah.
Alright. That will be it.